Actually, he's doing a really good job. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Bissell Featherweight vacuum cleaner. So it's a handheld vacuum cleaner that you plug into the wall, but you can also put a handle on it and this little attachment down here that turns it into a vacuum cleaner that will clean floors. That simply just slides on right there. The handle goes on real easy. You're going to pop that open. You're going to stick the handle in here. And then that snaps down over it. Now you've got this handle. You can wrap the cord from here to here and it rolls on the floor and it's got an on-off switch. Super simple to operate. Let's take this off. Now when this fills up, just press the release button. You're gonna take this filter out and empty everything out. Once in a while you'll have to blow that off. You can rinse this off, but just make sure it's nice and dry before you put it back in. There is a little filter right here also. Once in a while you will have to clean this little filter that's attached right before it goes into the motor. It's a small, you can rinse that out too, but just make sure it's nice and dry. Put the bottom in first, rotate it up till it clicks into place. So let's see how well it cleans. And Miss Fiona has come for her treat. Here's a close-up area of the Bissell cleaning head. Now there is no roller or anything, but it does have an area here where it's going to suck everything up and it's got these rollers. Okay, so we got a big mess here on the floor. Let's see how the Bissell Featherweight does. We're going to turn the switch on. It's not super loud. Actually, he's doing a really good job. Very lightweight. Very easy to turn. I can get under kitchen cabinets. Okay, so let's see how the Bissell Featherweight's going to do on carpet. You know, it's doing an okay job. It doesn't roll as easy as it does on hardwood floors. But not too bad of a job. Okay, so don't forget you can disconnect this down here, disconnect the handle. And now you have a little handheld cleaner that's never going to run out of power because you can plug it in. So let's simulate emptying the trash can with it. Just press the button. You're going to take the filter out. Now it's got a bunch of stuff on it, so be careful. But then you're going to dump everything out. Once in a while, again, you want to blow that off and kind of get everything off of it. This did a really good job. That was a lot of mess for it to clean up. Put it back in, rotate it, and click, and you're done. So, you know, the Bissell's very lightweight. I thought it did a really good job on hardwood floors. Again, it makes a really nice handheld vacuum cleaner. This is everything that comes in the box. This does not pivot, but it does move pretty good on hardwood floor. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.